Hello viewers, very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you all are well. So today I wanna talk about very specific concept about books, okay, about readings. This concept is really amazing and I wanna tell you the one thing. If you read book, you don't need any kind of friend. This is the only great thing which we are having. Like books always like us friend, okay? So please you should watch this video till the end. It will gonna help you a lot. So without any further delay, let's get started, okay? So I wanna like when I started my this journey, it's have been 1 year. So my sir, he told me about books, and my one of friend, he also told me about books. Like if you want to enhance your knowledge, enhance your speaking skills, enhance your communication skills, so many things is there. So just start to reading books. And I started at that time, but at that time I wasn't able to read English books. I wasn't able to understand them, and it was so hard for me because of the reason. Really, I'm really not like if I want to read a one para at that time. So I wasn't able. I have to search on Google. I have to do so many things, and just I also have to understand that para, the chapter, what the chapter wanna said. And at the time I started to reading self-help books because of in Indian era there is a biggest problem. Nobody is here. They're gonna tell you do whatever you want, and if you fall down, so get up and again try. No one is here. No one gonna tell you do this and that. They just wanna tell you what they want, okay? And if you do which thing which they don't like, so they gonna criticize you. And criticism is the biggest bad thing. That's why our Indian youth, they are not growing, they are not doing the thing they want. Yeah, somewhere is environment is different in India also, but some environment is really too bad. And if you also consider to girls, so it will really too hard to survive in this Indian era. It's happened with me always, but right now I understand what I have to do, how I have to handle the things which I want. So okay, I forget my topic. So at that time I wasn't able to read book, but I have been started reading, and after that I realized reading books is a great thing which I admire, and it helped me a lot. It helped me to talk with people, how to talk with people. It helped me to understand so many mindsets, means a lot of people's mindset. And I realized like which type of setbacks they faced at the time when they start, like after getting success and also not getting success, but how to handle their spirituality, their mind, their calmness. There's so many things, okay? And reading books is a great thing which if you admire, you definitely gonna learn so many things. And I'm only not one person, like I'm considered to you like read books. There is so many people, they told you if you want to do something, so just start it to reading books. It's gonna help you a lot. But yeah, I also wanna tell you, first choose which book do you like most. Don't choose anyone said to you read fictions book, read story books, read self-help books. No, it's up to you. It's up to you which book do you like. If you are a beginner and you feel I'm not able to read any kind of good poet books and good writer books, just try to read like story books. It's really gonna help you a lot. Like when I was beginners, at that time I started to reading Akbar Birbal storybooks, and that was helped me a lot really. And Right now, if I am talking with you, so it's also up to my readings, and it helped me a lot, really. So hope this video really gonna help you, and you also, you please, if you like my video, so share, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, daily I choose some great concept for you, which gonna motivate you, which thing gonna help you, and after that you feel enthusiastic, you feel believe on yourself, and just please keep it in your mind, believe on yourself. This is the one great thing you admire. Okay, so bye bye friend, we will meet next video, and if you like my videos, so share, comment and subscribe my channel.